Hello guys, what's up? क्या हाल है सबके भाई? I recently had my interview at IMI Delhi and I decided to share my experience with you all, like how it went and कैसा मैंने सोचा था कि how the interview would go and how it actually went. First of all, before giving the interview, I saw a video of the director of the IMI, I guess. And मैं उनकी बातें सुन रहा था what are the type of questions they ask in the interview, and he mentioned that they focus on the fundamentals, the student who is coming, like उसके fundamentals कितने clear हैं, how well does he know about what is happening around. So I was hoping a lot of fundamental questions in my interview, but when I talked to my teacher and some of my friends who already gave the interview, they told me that there is not too much of grilling and not too much of fundamental questions at all. It was a very fun experience, मतलब like काफ़ी chill interview हुआ था उनका, but trust me, what happened with me was really different. So first of all, interview started like they added us in the Zoom meeting room, and in that room we have to wait in the sequence wise. Like मेरा almost last number था, तो मेरे को काफ़ी time wait करना पड़ा. I had to wait for too long. They make you sit in a blank room kind of thing, and will show you like your turn will come soon. And I was very tired before my interview round came up, but when I joined the meeting, first of all, my first scene was very bad. I saw two teachers who was very tired and like sitting like एकदम lazy type सा. मुझे लग गया कि ये कहीं boring interview ना हो जाए. They asked me like introduce yourself. I did it very well. So मैंने अपने इंटरव्यू में mention किया था कि like मैं Deloitte में hire हुआ था, but मैंने job join नहीं करी क्योंकि मेरे को MBA के लिए prepare करना था. And now they dropped the banger. भाई उन्होंने जो मेरे को grill करा है भाई इस बात पर. They asked me a lot of questions like why you left the job. Don't you think that if you wouldn't have accepted the offer letter, someone would have got the chance, and like you took a spot, and why do you think that MBA is good for you? And they asked me a lot of questions like this. They were grilling me a lot. Basically, what I saw was that they were trying to see that मैं अपने decision से कितना stick रहता हूँ, like how I stick to my own decisions. Like if I said something and they were trying to manipulate me, like change your decision after that. But मैंने ऐसा नहीं करा. I was stick to my decision. What I said, I believed in myself. That was the key thing that happened in my interview. They asked me a lot of questions about what do you know about what is happening in India's Got Latent. I mentioned yes. Then they were asking like is it fair or not, the statement was correct or not, how they are cooperating. They were trying to see like because I mentioned that I'm a content creator, so they asked me a lot of questions related to content field. So then they asked me questions about Ranveer Allahabadia. Like they asked me what would I do if I was in his place. So I mentioned everything like I would post a public apology just like he did, and I would also cooperate with the laws and order. But he was trying to like ask me some other things like would you distract them by doing something mischievous. But मैं अपने decision से भाई like stick था. And they also asked me about like who is your inspiration model. मैंने विराट कोहली की बात करी. Then they started asking me questions related to like विराट कोहली का form like काफी low है. Don't you think that he should drop out from the team right now? But I didn't agree with them. I mentioned like yeah, current form is not that good because of his age. I like the way he deals with the things. I like his hard work, his passion towards his game, his dedication, and the way he handles criticism. ये सब सारी चीजें मैंने उनको mention करी. But they were trying to convince me that कि you should like accept that Virat Kohli is not good anymore and you should change your idol. But I didn't did it. मैं अपने decision से like stick था. So basically मेरे से जितने भी questions पूछे जा रहे थे, all those questions were coming to one point. Like if I said something in the beginning, they were trying to see that am I staying to the same point at the last of the conversation. And yeah, इसके बाद they asked me few current affairs type of questions like what do you know about Donald Trump, like क्या हो रहा है अभी, tell me something what he did currently. So I mentioned few of the points which I knew. So I mentioned one point about the import tariffs that the Donald Trump is trying to impose on the other countries like China and Canada. So मैंने mention करा कि like वो पूछने लगे मेरे से like what would happen after that. So I told them like yeah, if the import tariff is high, then the product coming from outside the countries will be expensive as compared to the USA product. So people will prefer USA product over other products. So they were trying to ask me that कि you are a Indian marketer and you have to sell your product to in USA. How would you advertise it? So first of all, and they told me that you are a electronic manufacturing company like mobile phones and etc. So I told them that it would be hard for me to compete with them because iPhone, Apple is there in USA and is dominating the market, and it is comparatively cheaper in USA as compared to India because of all these tariff and extra charges that we have to pay. So they were trying to tell me, no, you have to advertise your product and all. So I mentioned that I'll create a good advertisement and all, but they were like, you have to you have to do more efforts on your marketing part to advertise your product. But in my head I knew that it is not possible because USA वाले क्यों एप्पल छोड़ के लाइक हमारे बोट वोट के प्रोडक्ट्स को कर देंगे. आई वाज लाइक ओके, सो व्हाई वुड दे एग्री विद माय लाइक ओपिनियन. आई वाज लाइक टोटली फाइन विद इट. उसके बाद दे स्टार्टेड आस्किंग मी मोर करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस लाइक हु इज द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, एंड एज आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार सो दे आस्क्ड मी क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू लाइक सीएम कौन है, डिप्टी सीएम, एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू सी दैट डू आई नो वेयर आई बिलोंग एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड मी. सो दैट वाज इट, दैट वाज द इंटरव्यू. एंड इन द लास्ट दे आस्क्ड मी लाइक डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर अस. सो लाइक मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था एज आई एम अ फ्रेशर. Would it be very difficult for me to compete with the people who have work experience in my classroom, or be it any project, or be it during placements? They gave me an answer like it is not a big problem. You have to compete. That is totally fine. And ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ा big issue नहीं होता है. So yeah, that was my interview, and now I don't know will they select me or not. But it was a good interview. They grilled me. But the most important thing was that I was stick to my decision, and I would expect you guys, अगर आप लोग का interview होने वाला है, be confident and be stick to your decisions. Like जो भी तुम बोल रहे हो, be committed towards it. Don't change your opinion like in the middle of the conversation. Like in the starting you're supporting something else, and at the end of the conversation you're supporting something else. Be confident and be relaxed yaar. Matlab they're not drilling that too much on the academics part. So that's it, that was my interview. And if you have any query, like if you want to ask me something, you can ask me on Instagram. I'm dropping my Instagram handle below, and you can also ask in the comment section if you want. Thank you.